STS refers to science, technology, and society. It is an interdisciplinary field of research that approaches the study of science, technology from the perspective and intellectual traditions associated with humanities and social science. STS emerged from the confluence of a variety of discipline and disciplinary subfields, all of which had developed an interest in viewing science and technology as a socially embedded enterprises. Genetic engineering is also known as genetic modification or genetic manipulation. It is an indirect modification of living organisms' genes using biotechnology. For example, the modification of genes of rice, turning it to different colors like red, yellow, and brown, or various types.
The good life is a life where I am self-sufficient, depending on no other person on financial support and personal fulfillment. Not at all. Being self-sufficient means that I am able to provide for myself and I am contented with who I am.
With more plants, trees, and animals, the soils became stronger, less prone to erosion, drought, and flooding. Biodiversity is a great importance to maintain the capability of ecosystem. Biodiversity is the key indicator of the health of ecosystem.
Science and technology are the key drivers to the development because technological and scientific revolution underpin economic advances, improvements in health system, education, and etc.